Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can we reset Redragon gaming keyboard. So here's a fix for your factory reset, firmware, and key mapping. Method 1. Reset using the keyboard. Connect the keyboard to your PC using a USB cable. If it's a wireless model, switch it to wired mode. Press and hold Fn plus ESC or Fn1 or Fn2 plus ESC on some models for 3 to 5 seconds. Release the keys when the keyboard backlight flashes or restarts. The keyboard will reset to its factory settings. Method 2. Reset using Redragon software. Open the Redragon keyboard software, select your keyboard, click Reset, Restore Default or Factory Reset. Save the changes and restart the keyboard. If the reset doesn't work, unplug the keyboard and reconnect it to a different USB port. Restart your computer and try the reset again. Make sure you are using the correct key combination for your keyboard model, as some models use Fn2 plus ESC instead of Fn plus ESC. Download the latest software or firmware for your specific keyboard model from the official Redragon downloads page if needed. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.